Hello guys, welcome to this channel. So today we will be dealing this question. Last time I saw this question, it was asked in IMO 2019. So let me tell you what is IMO. IMO is basically International Mathematics Olympiad. So total 6 students are selected from each country and around 4.5 hours are allotted for 3 days. So this exam is basically based on 3-day basis. Each day 4.5 hours are allotted and total 3 problems are asked each day. So this is problem number 1 of day 1. So 1.5 hour is allotted for each and every problem. So this question was on an average like an easy question, I can say, for only specifically for IMO only, but for any ordinary mathematics student this question may be considered as a bit above average or maybe tough. Okay, so let me break down this question for you and let me solve this question for you. So see, this question says function of 2a plus 2 function of b equals function of a plus b. So solve for function integers to integers. See, this question is pretty simple, I can say, because if I consider some integer a equal to 0, if I consider this, say, let's say if a is equal to 0, okay, so what we can write, f of 0 plus 2 f of b equals f of b. Okay, since b is some integer, so I can say this particular statement is true for all the integers. I can simply say that. Okay, since this is true for all the integers, I can write it down as f of 0 plus 2 f of x equals f of x. This is pretty simple, right? So let's call this equation 1. Okay, now let's say if b is equal to 0, at least I can say this, if b is equal to 0, so f 2a plus 2 of f0 equals f of a. So since this thing is true for any integer a, so I can simply say that this will be true for all the integers again. So what can I say again? That f of 2x plus 2 f of 0 equals f of x. The basic agenda here is to eliminate the function of function. I have to do some kind of manipulation so that I can eliminate this term, or I can at least equate two equations. So if I am equating equation 1, and let's call this equation as equation 2. If I am equating these two equations, what can I write? F of 0 plus 2 f of x equals f of 2x plus 2 f of 0, or I can write 2 of fx minus f of 2x equals f of 0. So now tell me one thing, can you state anything? Like, can you state anything while looking at this particular equation? At least I can't see anything. So let's do another kind of manipulation. If we say, let's say if a equals 1, okay, let's say if a equals to 1, now if we put the value of a equal to 1, what will we get? F of 2 plus 2 f of b equals f of 1 plus b. Wait, 1 plus b. Okay, since this is true for every integer b, so I can say this is true for every integer. That means it can be true for x also. So let me write it down. f2 plus 2 of fx equals f of x plus 1. Okay, so if we look down to this equation number 3, and again we look back to equation number 1. What can I see? I have to eliminate this f of fx from here. So what manipulation do I need to do? So I'll be replacing x with x plus 1 in equation 1. See what result I will be getting. Okay, so my result is f of 0 plus 2 f of x plus 1 equals f of x plus 1. Okay, let me verify this. Yeah, this one's okay. So let's call it equation number 4. Now we can solve our equation 3 and equation 4 together. Let's try to solve this. What will we get? F of 2 plus 2 of fx equals f of 0 plus 2 f of x plus 1. F of 2 minus f of 0 divided by 2 equals f of x plus 1 minus f of x. Okay, so now you have to just see this result is actually very important for us right now, because we can simply say right now that this left hand term is a constant, this is some constant, and this right hand term is the difference of two consecutive terms, difference of two consecutive terms. Okay, since this is the difference and this difference is constant, so what can I say? That this right hand side forms an AP. This is a very strong point that I can say right now. This will help me solving this problem further. So this will form an AP and it is a constant. So what can I say? This function can be considered as mx plus n, since this is an AP. So if I put the value of this function in my above equation, that is f of 2a plus 2 of fb, let me write it down for you. F of a plus 2 of fb, no, this is f of 2a. Okay, this is f of 2a plus 2 fb equals f of a plus b. This was the question, right? So I have to replace each term in this particular equation. So what will be the value of f of 2a? It will be nothing but 2ma plus n. What will be the value of 2 of fb? It will be 2mb plus n. What will be the value of f of a plus b? It will be f of, what will be value of f of a plus b? This will be m a plus b plus n, and this further will be equated to m of a plus b plus n whole bracket plus n. Okay, so this will implies to m square a plus b plus mn plus n, and we can say this is nothing but m square a plus b plus n m plus 1. Okay, so now we have to equate this particular equation in such a manner. See, 2ma plus n plus 2mb plus n equals m square a plus b plus n m plus n. Okay, wait, this is not m plus n, this is m plus 1, or I can write it in this way. Either ways are possible. So 2m, I can take this common, 2m, taking 2m common will be a plus b plus 2n, it will be equal to m square a plus b plus m plus 1 n. Okay, So what are we seeing right now? Here it is a plus b, here it is a plus b, here it is n, here it is n. So since this equation is equal, so I can say that the coefficient of these terms have to be equal. Okay, so 2m has to be equal to m square. What can I get from here? M square minus 2m equals 0, which means m minus 2 equals 0, which can say m equals to 0 or m equals to 2. And from here we can say m plus 1 equal to 2, so m equals to 1. Okay, so if m is equal to 0 or m is equal to 2, say if m equals to 0, what can we say from here? M equals to 0, which means a function will be some constant function. Function will be equal to n. It will be some constant. Okay. And for m is equal to 2, for m equals to 2, this function will be 2m, 2x plus n. For every integer, for every n belongs to integer, I can say this. Now see, this particular function holds good, that is fx equals 2x plus n for every n belongs to integer. I can say this is this is a linear equation. Okay, this is a linear function, so we got our answer. Fx will be equal to 2x plus n. So yeah, this was pretty much in this question. These are the concepts, and I guess this problem, on an average, I guess 60% of the students scored a perfect score. That is, each problem gets a credit of 7. So I guess more than 50% or more than 60% students got the perfect credit in this particular question. So this question was like on an average an easy question for IMO students. Okay, I hope you guys got the point. I hope you guys got the question. If this video really helped you out, then please don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. And yeah, tell me your queries in the comment section below, and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.